In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Lucidchart in Confluence. We'll go through the setup from start to finish so you can add your Lucidchart diagrams directly into a Confluence page and make them available for your team in just a few minutes. To begin, open your Confluence account. Once you're inside, look over to the left-hand panel. In that sidebar, click on Apps to expand the section and then choose Explore More Apps. This will take you to the Marketplace area where you can browse and install integrations for Confluence. When the Apps page opens, look for the search field near the top. In that search bar, type Lucidchart Diagrams. From the results, select Lucidchart Diagrams connector. This is the app you'll need in order to embed Lucidchart content into your Confluence pages. After opening the app's information page, click Get App or Get It Now, depending on what your workspace shows. Then simply follow the prompts to complete the installation. If your organization has admin approval steps, just continue through the processes needed until the app is added successfully. Once the connector has been installed, go to the Confluence page where you want to embed your Lucidchart diagram. Open the page in edit mode, then click in the exact area where you want the diagram to appear. After that, type /lucid. Confluence will show suggestions as you type, and from that list, select Lucidchart diagrams. A pop-up window will appear. Give it a moment to load completely, since this can sometimes take a little while depending on your connection or workspace. Once the window is fully loaded, browse to the chart you want to embed and select it, then click Continue. Next, choose the access settings for the embedded diagram. You'll typically see options such as Edit, Comment Only, or View Only. Pick the one that best fits how you want others to interact with the diagram on the page. If you select View Only, you may also need to configure additional display options, such as which pages should be shown, the viewer type, and whether the embedded diagram should auto-update. These settings are useful if you want to control how much of the document is visible and whether future changes in Lucidchart should automatically appear in Confluence. After reviewing those options, click Insert. Your Lucidchart diagram will now be embedded into the Confluence page. From there, you can save or publish the page and share it with your team. And that's it. That's how to embed Lucidchart in Confluence.